Question number 1. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Option A 4th, B 1st, C 2nd, D 5th. Answer is option A 4th. Question number 2. Cyclone Montha recently made landfall along which region? Option A western coast of India, B eastern coast of Sri Lanka, C eastern coast of India, D northern coast of Bangladesh. Answer is option C eastern coast of India. Question number 3. The Mystery Initiative was launched by which ministry? Option A Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B Ministry of Earth Sciences, C Ministry of Heavy Industries, D Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Answer is option D Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Question number 4. Which organization launched the intrusion detection system on railway tracks in the Northeast? Option A Indian Railway Traffic Service, B Northeast Frontier Railway, C National Informatics Center, D Central Electronics Limited. Answer is option B Northeast Frontier Railway. Question number 5. Which country is the host of Exercise Ocean Sky 2025? Option A France, B Germany, C Spain, D Japan. Answer is option C Spain. Question number 6. This Storm Shadow missile was jointly developed by United Kingdom and which country? Option A United States, B France, C Italy, D Germany. Answer is option B France. Question number 7. The Malabar gliding frog that was recently seen in news is endemic to which region of India? Option A Western Ghats, B Eastern Himalayas, C Nilgiri Hills, D Aravalli Hills. Answer is option A Western Ghats. Question number 8. What is the name of the operation launched by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to stop illegal smuggling of Chinese firecrackers into India? Option A Operation Thunder Strike, B Operation Spark Shield, C Operation Red Spark, D Operation Fire Trail. Answer is option D Operation Fire Trail. Question number 9. Which state ranked first in India for recovering stolen and missing mobile phones through the Central Equipment Identity Register portal? Option A Karnataka, B Andhra Pradesh, C Telangana, D Rajasthan. Answer is option C Telangana. Question number 10. Which organization has released the Global Antibiotic Resistance Surveillance Report 2025? Option A Global Health Security Agency, B World Health Organization, C World Bank, D International Monetary Fund. Answer is option B, World Health Organization. Question number 11. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Option A 85th, B 80th, C 77th, D 88th. Answer is option A 85th. Question number 12. According to recent Reserve Bank of India, which Indian state has the highest per capita usage intensity of UPI transactions? Option A Karnataka, B Maharashtra, C Andhra Pradesh, D Telangana. Answer is option D Telangana. Question number 13. According to the Civil Registration System report, which state recorded the lowest sex ratio at birth in 2023? Option A Rajasthan, B Jharkhand, C Uttar Pradesh, D Madhya Pradesh. Answer is option B Jharkhand. Question number 14. Karnak temple that was recently seen in news is located in which country? Option A Egypt, B Italy, C Greece, D Indonesia. Answer is option A Egypt. Question number 15. Where was the ninth edition of the India Mobile Congress 2025 held? Option A Mumbai, B Hyderabad, C New Delhi, D Karnataka. Answer is option C New Delhi. Question number 16. Where was the 10th National Level Pollution Response Exercise conducted in October 2025? Option A Kochi, B Chennai, C Mumbai, D Visakhapatnam. Answer is option B Chennai. Question number 17. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Option A Dubai, B Sharjah, C Kuwait, D Abu Dhabi. Answer is option A Dubai. Question number 18. Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Option A Karnataka, B Maharashtra, C Goa, D Gujarat. Answer is option C Goa. Question number 19. International Civil Aviation Organization is a specialized agency of which international body? Option A World Trade Organization, B United Nations, C World Bank, D International Monetary Fund. Answer is option B United Nations. Question number 20. My Bharat National Service Scheme Award is instituted by which ministry? Option A Ministry of Education, B Ministry of Culture, C Ministry of Home Affairs, D Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Answer is option D Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Question number 21. The new Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty is a treaty between Russia and which country? Option A China, B. United States of America, C. United Kingdom, D. France. Answer is option B. United States of America. Question number 22. The Indian Radio Software Architecture Standard 1.0 was developed by which organization? Option A. Bharat Electronics Limited, B. Indian Institute of Science, C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, D. Defense Research and Development Organization. Answer is option D. Defense Research and Development Organization. Question number 23. National Post Day is celebrated in India every year on which day? Option A. 10th October, B. 11th October, C. 15th October, D. 26th October. Answer is option A. 10th October. Question number 24. The Sawalkot Hydroelectric Project is proposed on which river? Option A. Indus River, B. Jhelum River, C. Chenab River, D. Yamuna River. Answer is option C. Chenab River. Question number 25. Exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 is conducted between India and which country? Option A. Thailand, B. China, C. Japan, D. Indonesia. Answer is option D. Indonesia.